This is the exact order in which you should be applying for all of your credit cards. First, start with a debit card. Debit card helps build trust with the bank like having a friend with money. After 2 to 3 months, get your first credit card to start building your credit. Starter credit card is great if you have bad or no credit because the requirements are very easy. After 6 to 7 months, go for a beginner level entry rewards credit card. These cards usually have no annual fee and give you cash back on everyday purchases. For another 2 to 3 months, upgrade to a point earning credit card. These points are worth way more than cash back, and if you've been following me, then you already know this. At this point, if you've been responsible on all of these other credit cards, you should have a higher credit limit here and a credit score of at least 700. Now you're ready for high rewards credit cards. These are some of the best for earning rewards, but often come with an annual fee. The annual fee is usually worth it because of the points earning structure and the big benefits. Next, you're ready for travel credit cards. These cards have free access to airport lounges, free travel benefits, even elite status with rental.
These are my top 3 beginner credit cards of 2023. Coming from a guy who's had over 50 credit cards, so you don't have to. Only thing I ask you to do as a beginner, make sure you pay your credit card bills on time and in full. Coming in number 3, we have the Chase Freedom Family. Sign up bonus of $200 after you spend $500 in the first 3 months. This card will earn you 5% cash back on rotating categories, and this card will earn you 1.5% cash back everywhere. Favorite part about the Chase family is the synergies. You end up getting a preferred, you can actually take points here, pull into here for a 25% bonus if you redeem through the Chase Ultimate Reward Portal. Number 2, the Discover It. This card will double your cash back in the first year and you will earn 5% cash back rotating every quarter, but for the first year, effectively that's 10%. No annual fee and no foreign transaction fee. And number 1, the Capital One Quicksilver. $200 sign-up bonus after you spend $500 in the first 3 months, 1.5% cash back everywhere, it's a Visa signature, and there's no foreign transaction fee in addition to no annual fee. Anecdotally, I think this is relatively easier than the other two, and the most important thing as a beginner, get approved, learn how to use the card, move on to the next one.